like you crump up. All you think you turn up. Come out, cut your dumps up. Like my something loose. Screw. Everybody around me up a dude.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video. It's been a long time, but we back because, shoot. You want to do something, just do it. No matter how long it takes for you to get into it. Once you get into it, just keep on going. Well, today, we are going to make fried tofu.
For them great, look at that. I hope it look like it tastes though. For them great, I'm gonna be mad.
Just don't think about it. Just eat it. Alright, y'all. First things first. Seeing that flour. And, of course, I'm keeping it true to my roots. Y'all see I'm seasoning it up in a bag. And I already got the tofu and the egg white sitting right there. But, yeah, you know. Period. Here to here. To here to here. Alright, so boom. Step one. Put it in the egg white. Stir it up. Drop it in the flour. The egg white's made out of egg, pepper, and milk, by the way. Then once you're done with the flour, drop it in a bowl. And repeat. What's done in the dark will always find a way to shine. After you dip it once, you're going to have to go ahead and dip them again. Egg wash, then flour, then boom. It's not popping. It's not hot. I don't know. Last but not least, bon appetit. Last but not least, we got lemon pepper in here, hunty. Sprinkle and dinkle leg. Oh, that was a lot. But okay. You're just good, boy. And it look like
fly across the country, I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures, nigga?
Yeah! Hey! Hey! What it look like? But that's it, y'all. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. If you got any vegan friends, if you're interested in vegetarian food or vegan meals, if you ever had tofu before, anything of the above, like, comment, share, subscribe. You want more videos like this? Let me know. Want more like vegetarian, more vegan recipes, more things that you can do like as a vegetarian? It's easy. The one question I get asked almost every time I tell somebody I'm vegetarian, well, I'm pescatarian, but anything, and that too, I don't even tell people. They ask me, or people that know that I am vegetarian tell people like it's a hot topic. Like, anyways, they always ask me, what do you eat? A lot of food. And so that's all. Y'all want to see more of what I actually do eat? Then stay tuned. Tune into the channel. More videos like this will come soon. And that's that on that.
Hey Hollywood Code.